Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our sound spellings review. I'm going to start with our short vowel sounds. I will say the letter and the sound, and you repeat after me. Short A says A, E, E, I, O, A, U, Now we're going to need to grab our cameras for the sound spelling. C, K, K. Grab your jump rope. D, G, E, J. Rub your belly because that banana's so good. M, B, Hands under your chin. C, H, Ch. T, C, H, Ch. For the shell card, we're going to put our finger over our lips. S, H, Sh. Our thimble card, thumbs up. T, H. Now for the R-controlled vowels, we're going to start with the armadillo card, and you're a pirate. A, R, R. For a bird card, you're going to flap your wings. E, R, R. I, R, R. U, R, R. With the stork card, you're going to put your horns up to your mouth. O, R, or. O, R, E, or. Now for the gong card, hold your hand up and get your handle ready. N, G, ng. For the skunk card, you just had a bad smell. N, K, nk. Whale card, W, H, w. Remember, the green boxes in front of our sound spellings mean that there will be a short vowel sound. And the WH with the blank means that WH will be at the beginning of a word. You will not see WH at the end of a word. Now, boys and girls, I'd like for you to pause your video and practice reviewing these sound spellings. You're going to set a timer each day and see if you can get quicker with your sound spellings. I'll give you an example. Or, R, J, Sh, Ch, Ch, W, or. 13 seconds. See how fast you can do it. I know you'll do great. This is another one you can practice the same way. Set a timer and practice your sound spellings. Now we're going to do our blends. B, L, bl, blocks. P, L, pl, plain. C, L, cl, clock. F, L, fl, fly. G, L, gl, globe. B, R, br, bread. C, R, cr, crab. D, R, dr, dragon. T, R, tr, tree. F, R, fr, frog. G, R, gr, grapes. P, R, pr, pretzel. T, R, tr, tree. S blends. S, C, sk, scarf. S, K, sk, skateboard. S, L, sl, slide. S, M, sm, smile. S, P, sp, spider. ST, star. SW, swing. SN, snake. You'll do the same thing with our blends. Each day you can pause the video and let someone set the timer and see how quickly you can say your blends. Sk, kr, bl, sp, bl, br, pl, fr, fl, st, sn, sk, dr, sw, gr, kl, tr, sl, pr, sn. 26 seconds. Now see if you can do yours just as quick. Now this week we're starting to talk about the consonant LE. And these are all syllables. When you have LE, you'll grab onto your consonant before it, and that makes a syllable. The E is silent, but it doesn't make a sound, but it is a syllable. BLE, bull, bubble. DLE, dull, candle. GLE, gull, angle. PLE, pull, dimple. TLE, toll, bottle. CLE, cull, uncle. FLE, bull, ruffle. KLE, cull, ankle. SLE, soul, tussle. ZLE, zul, puzzle. You can also stop the video and time yourself reading just the sound spellings. Bull, dull, gull, pull, tool, cool, flu, cool, sul, zul. 14 seconds. Now it's your turn. Boys and girls, I want you to practice these sound spellings every day, just like we do when we're in class. I also want you to practice it on those asynchronous days. That will really help with the days that we're not going to be in the building, but you're seeing it, reading it, and hearing it.